Guys, I'm getting fucked. I can't even close my position. So that's nice. Now the accounts are probably all gone. Fucking bullshit, bro. Nice. What is this shit, bro? Honestly. You know, I'm supposed to just take my L, like this account, but no. I'm getting rate limited, I don't know what. So, yeah, that's cool. We just lost all 4 of these accounts because I can't close them. And even if I close them now, there's no point. I was in profit of 500 already, so those are gone. Fucking bullshit, bro. So, yeah, I don't understand why I couldn't close, honestly. This just costed me all my accounts again, so. Tradovate is rate limiting you due to too many order and action. Bruh, the only thing I did was take one trade, move my stop loss to this high, move my TP to here, and that was too much for them. I was up 500 at some point, so 500 with the trailing buffer plus these, so these accounts are gone. Now I only have this account, which plus 500, so I only have 500 left. Can't make this up, can I? This is the payout I received yesterday, if you guys are interested. I guess if it ever happens to you guys where Tradovate is rate limiting you, I don't know what, and you can't close, even this button doesn't work, I guess you have to go on each and single account and go close them. And there's no TP, there's no stop loss bracket. What do you want me to do? It's whatever. It just sucks in one trade. Like, we know that on take profit we have the trailing buffer, drawdown, whatever, and it's part of the game, right? So it's whatever. So yeah, I got into profit and then lost. So technically I lost 1k on the day, but then to go and waste my other 500, there's just no point. Now the problem is, well, I have no choice but to reset those because those are blown now. 100%. Let me go check. To blow them, drawdown auto is 24. Yeah, they're fucking blown, right? Look, 23,997. just like that. And this one we have 500 left, exactly. Oh guys, now I can reset them again, because technically, like I told you guys from this video yesterday, I'm gonna be following my rules and following everything, right? But it's just bullshit like that. The trailing buffer, even if I didn't have my trailing buffer, like I already had the buffer, I would have been so much drawdown and couldn't close it. I don't know if we can have this fixed, probably not. In a short time. It's because I moved my brackets too fast, it says. Oh guys, I don't know. I don't know if I want to put another 3,000. Yesterday I put 6,000. And if I put another 3,000, that's nearly 10k already. I know I'll make it back, it's just fucking shit like that, man. It's a bit of a renting video, but I don't know what to say. Market open, we swept this sell side, but then we created a gap inside this sell side, so I shouldn't have taken this. That's first of all. But I did take it and took the L. Now, let's say I didn't take it. As of right now, I don't see any other trades. Maybe this mini one, but I mean, it's still, no, probably not. Yeah, guys, I don't know what to say. That sucks, bro. I don't know if I want to wait. If I want to just buy new accounts, not new 25Ks, and just wait them out, pass them, and by next, where are we today? Friday? Thursday. We're only Thursday. Because I know I can make money. It doesn't matter if I buy $3,000 of pros account, because I know I'm able to make payouts on them. But it's just when stuff like this happen, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm doing. At least I pressed record and showed you guys, so you guys can see that I wasn't able to close it. No, either Thursday 18. Either I go ahead and just buy new ones, so it's gonna cost only around multiply. Either I go buy evals for 735 and I just have to pass them and rinse and repeat, meet the buffer, all that, which I know I'll be able, it's not a problem. Or I save myself 1 week, but I have to pay this. How much was I even risking? I think yeah, one contract legit I was risking. Gave me this. Yeah, I don't know guys, I just wanted to press record real quick and show you guys that. I'll see what I'll do. I don't know if I'm gonna reset all 5, because what is this? I have 500 left. Well, I can technically keep this one, just reset those, but we'll see. Um, bro, that's so bad. Or I just wait it out 1 week. So here till next Friday. Friday I can start trading again on my pros. But what's the point if I already know I can make money? If it's just a question about 3,000. That's so dumb, man. I'll probably just reset all accounts, honestly. Yeah, I have no choice. Let me check something out real quick. And that's how it goes on Take Profit. But I like Take Profit because we can request daily payouts right away. There's only two problems. Well, one problem, it's the trailing buffer, but once it's met, it's met. Second problem is when there's dumb shit on TradeSyncer like that. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.